I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable VPN focused on speed and UDP performance. That reduces added latency. Once selected, install the client on your PC or set it up on your router for consoles. Make sure you log in and enable the kill switch to prevent leaks. Also turn on split tunneling if you only want game traffic routed through the VPN. These steps get you connected quickly and protect your session without rerouting unnecessary apps, so you keep both privacy and performance. Once done connecting, choose a server closest to either your physical location or the game host to minimize hops. You should test ping inside the VPN client or game diagnostics. If latency spikes, switch protocols, try WireGuard or UDP alternatives to see which is fastest. Then make sure background downloads and streaming are off, and, if possible, enable router co-s so your game packets get priority. This reduces jitter and packet loss, which matter far more than raw throughput for smooth gameplay. To finish, verify your new IP and ensure DNS leaks are blocked so the server sees the VPN address. Make sure NAT settings remain open on consoles. If they change, reapply port forwarding or use a router-level VPN. Once everything looks good, launch the game and monitor ping for the first 10 minutes to catch spikes. If you hit issues, game disconnects, high latency, try another server, reboot your router, or briefly disable the VPN to isolate whether the VPN itself is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.